Hi everyone, my name is Prerna and welcome back to my channel. So you may have heard not to drink coffee, or your doctors may have told you to not drink coffee or quit coffee, but no one tells you why you shouldn't drink coffee or what happens to your body whenever you're drinking coffee. So in this video I have explained in detail about what happens to your body whenever you drink coffee and why is it bad for you. And if you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel yet, do like and subscribe and press the bell icon also, because I'll be posting videos every 3 days. So let's get started with the video. So after drinking coffee, you might have seen that you get that urge to urinate a lot. But why does that happen? It happens because whenever you drink just 1 cup of coffee, your body in return loses 3 cups of water from your body. It happens because coffee contains caffeine, and to get rid of that caffeine from your body requires a lot of water. And where does that water come from? It comes from the cells. The cells also require water to maintain proper functions in your body, but when you drink coffee, that water is snatched away from the cell, is taken away from the cell, and is instead used to flush out caffeine from your body. So it can lead to dehydration of the cells. Next is that whenever you drink coffee, you might have seen that you feel so awake, you feel very refreshed, or you feel very energetic. Why does that happen? It happens because when you drink coffee, it stimulates your adrenal glands, and your adrenal glands will release stress hormone. And in response to this stress hormone, your immune system is activated. Because that immune system is activated, it makes you feel awake, it makes you feel energetic, it makes you feel like you have a very clear mind. But once that immune system is calmed down, you will again feel lethargic. Again you will feel like you want more energy, so you drink more coffee, and again you will stimulate your immune system. So coffee will overstimulate your body, and once that immune system is again and again stimulated, it can affect your health in a very bad way. So you need to limit your coffee intake. Now I can understand that it can be very hard to get rid of the habit of drinking coffee, and it's not possible for everyone, because when you drink coffee, it becomes slowly you become addicted to it, and without it you can't live. So you can follow these steps which I am about to tell you. Is first, whenever you drink coffee, make sure you're drinking water throughout your day to compensate for the loss of water from your body. Then next is, if you want to drink coffee the first thing in the morning, don't drink coffee on empty stomach. Instead, have a piece of fruit, and after that piece of fruit, wait for half an hour to 1 hour, and after that only drink coffee. Don't drink coffee on an empty stomach. It can cause many side effects, and it can harm your health. Then third is that don't drink coffee after 5 p.m. because after 5 p.m. if you drink coffee, it will disturb that sleep and wake cycle. So it is advisable to drink, if you want to drink coffee, drink it before 5 p.m. And fourth is that don't drink 4 to 5 cups of coffee per day. Reduce it to just 1 or 2 cups of coffee. And if you can, don't drink coffee, but if you can't, reduce it to only 1 to 2 cups of coffee per day. And make sure, if you're drinking coffee, to drink water throughout your day. And I hope you like this video, and if you did, do like and comment below. And thank you for watching this video.